guys, this is basically with another video. I'm gonna show you the Doctor Who sonic screwdriver, the 11th Doctor screwdriver. So yeah, hang on. Oh yeah, and you can see I'm watching the disc of the Doctor, just to fit in character. Okay, so so you click 2 times quickly on the activation button, which is right here, which that's the first secret sound. Then 3 times quickly, then hit on the first tap. Wait, no, wait, sorry. 3 times, yeah. And that, yep. So yeah, and it fully extends. I don't know why it does that. It almost slipped out of my hand, but damn, just a toy. So dang it, hold up. Come on. Okay, I just had to push it in. Here. No. Okay. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what my Xbox name is, it's Exploding Tiger 5. It's easier if I just put it in the description, and 3 more people I'm gonna put in this description. So yeah.